Hi, welcome to SV EduTech. In acids, bases and salts chapter, now I am going to discuss about salts, water of crystallization, plaster of Paris. Let's start. Salts. In previous sections, you have studied the formation of salts by the neutralization reaction of base with an acid. Let us understand more about the preparation, properties and uses of salts. Family of salts. We have different families of salts. For example, sodium salts, chloride salts and sulfate salts. NaCl, Na2SO4, NaNO3, Na2CO3 all comes under sodium salts. NaCl, KCl, NH4Cl all comes under chloride salts. Na2SO4, K2SO4, CaSO4, MgSO4 and CuSO4 comes under sulfate salts. pH of salts. Let us perform one activity. Collect the salt samples like sodium chloride, aluminum chloride, copper sulfate, sodium acetate, ammonium chloride, sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium carbonate. Dissolve them in distilled water separately. Check the action of these solutions with litmus papers and find the pH using pH paper. Salt character according to its acid and base. Salt of a strong acid and a strong base are neutral and its pH value is 7. The salts of a strong acid and weak base are acidic and the pH value is less than 7. The salts of a weak acid and strong base are basic in nature and the pH value is more than 7. The pH of the salts of a weak acid and weak base depends on the relative strength of acid and base. Strong acid plus strong base gives rise to neutral salt. Strong acid plus weak base gives rise to acidic salt. Weak acid plus strong base gives rise to basic salt. Weak acid plus weak base, it depends upon the relative strength of acid and base. Salt. From the neutralization of acid with base, the salts are produced. Salts are electrically neutral. There are number of salts, but sodium chloride is the most common among them and is also called as table salt or common salt. Sodium chloride is used to enhance the taste of food. Seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is a predominant component and it is separated from these salts. Deposits of solid salt are also found in several parts of the world. These deposits of large crystals are often brown due to impurities and are called rock salt. Beds of rock salt were formed when seas of bygone ages dried up. Rock salt is mined like coal. Wilica salt mine. It is one of the most valuable monuments of material and spiritual culture in Poland. Each year, it is visited by more than 1 million tourists from all over the world. It is also a world-class monument featuring among 12 objects on the UNESCO's World Cultural and Natural Heritage list. So you can see this mine. Common salt. The common salt is an important raw material for various materials of daily use such as sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder or calcium hypochlorite, baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate, and washing soda. These are the materials which are prepared by using common salt as a raw material, sodium hydroxide. Preparation of sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. The process is called chlor-alkali process because of the products formed chlor for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. Brine solution is an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. 2NaCl plus 2H2O gives rise to 2NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. Chlorine gas is given off at the anode, hydrogen gas at cathode, sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. The three products produced in this process are all useful. The figure shows the different uses of these products, whereas hydrogen is used for fuels, margarine, ammonia for fertilizers, chlorine which is used for water treatment, swimming pools, PVC, disinfectants, CFCs, pesticides, and sodium hydroxide for degreasing metals, soaps and detergents, paper making, artificial fibers, hydrochloric acid, bleach. All these are the uses of these three products. Bleaching powder or calcium hypochlorite. Its formula is CaOCl2. Preparation of bleaching powder. Chlorine which is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride, which is brine solution, is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime, which is CaOH twice. This is the generalized equation. CaOH twice plus Cl2 gives rise to CaOCl2 plus H2O. Uses of bleaching powder. It is used for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry, for bleaching wood pulp in paper industry, and for bleaching washed clothes in laundry. Used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. Used as a reagent in the preparation of chloroform. Baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used in the kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras. Sometimes it is added for faster cooking. The chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Preparation of baking soda. It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw material. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives rise to NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. This is baking soda and this is the equation. Baking soda is a mild non-corrosive base, so it is used to neutralize an acid. Uses of baking soda. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and a mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. When baking powder is heated or mixed in water, the following reaction takes place, that is NaHCO3 plus H plus gives rise to CO2 plus H2O, and you will be getting a sodium salt which is of acid. Carbon dioxide produced during the reaction causes bread or cake to rise, making them soft and spongy. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient in antacids. Being alkaline, it neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provides relief. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. It acts as mild antiseptic. Washing soda or sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 10H2O. Preparation of washing soda or sodium carbonate. It can be obtained by heating baking soda. 2NaHCO3 gives rise to Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda, which is a basic salt. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives rise to Na2CO3 10H2O. Sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate are useful chemicals for many industrial processes. Uses of washing soda. Sodium carbonate is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Sodium carbonate can be used as a cleaning agent for domestic purposes. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Water of crystallization. The fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt is water of crystallization. For removing water of crystallization, we need to do one activity. For this activity, we need some materials. Those materials are dry test tube holder, boiling tube burner and copper sulfate crystals. And the procedure: take some crystals of copper sulfate in a dry test tube and heat the test tube with the burner. The blue colored copper sulfate changes into white color. We observe water droplets on sides of the test tube. This shows that the crystals of salts are not really dry. Now add 2 to 3 drops of water on the sample of copper sulfate obtained after heating. When the crystals are moistened with water, the blue color reappears. One more salt with water of crystallization is gypsum. The chemical name of gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. It possesses water of crystallization. It has 2 water molecules in its crystals and the formula is CaSO4 2H2O. Uses of gypsum. Gypsum is used to prepare plaster of Paris by heating it at 373 Kelvin. Plaster of Paris. CaSO4 half H2O. On heating of gypsum at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules partially to become calcium sulfate hemihydrate CaSO4 half H2O. This is plaster of Paris. Uses of plaster of Paris. Doctors use plaster of Paris as plaster for supporting fractured bones in the right position. Plaster of Paris is used for making toys, materials for decoration and for making surfaces smooth. Why plaster of Paris is stored in moisture-proof container? Let's discuss. Plaster of Paris is a white powder and is easily absorb water in the atmospheric air to form hardest substance, which is gypsum. Therefore, it should be stored in moisture-proof container to overcome this problem. With this, the chapter is completed. Thank you.